Welcome to a world where the wonder of nature and human creativity intertwine in breathtaking harmony. Today, we journey to the heart of Rockville, Maryland, in the United States. Here, we encounter a remarkable garden steeped in years of history. A place that has captivated the hearts of all, Brookside Gardens. The history of Brookside Gardens dates back to the early 1960s. At that time, the National Capital Planning Commission of Montgomery County recognized the need to create a large garden for the recreation and education of the area's residents. Accordingly, in 1969, the first phase of Brookside Gardens was opened on a 50-acre site. Since then, this garden has continued to grow, and today spans across 54 acres of land. Brookside Gardens is a unique place comprised of a collection of gardens with diverse themes. Each garden possesses its own distinct beauty and identity. Here you can find a magnificent rose garden, whose fragrance and color will enchant you. A serene Japanese-style garden, whose tranquility brings peace to the mind. A butterfly garden, a paradise for butterflies, where you can witness a variety of colorful species. A woodland garden filled with shady and rare plants, showcasing the darker beauty of nature. A water garden brimming with aquatic plants and flowers, its picturesque view pleasing to the eye. A children's garden where young ones can play and learn about nature. A colorful formal garden filled with seasonal flowers and plants. And a rock garden, where the combination of various stones and plants is captivating. The Tea House Pond. Adjacent to the Japanese tea house, you'll find a tranquil pond that appears to have sprung directly from nature. It's more than just a body of water. It's a mirror of the natural world. The deep blue of the sky above, the lush green of the surrounding trees, and the delicate beauty of a Japanese painting are all reflected upon its surface. The depth of the pond symbolizes unwavering stability and steadfastness. Here, vibrant koi fish swim gracefully through the water. Their movements are symbols of peace and prosperity. On a night bathed in moonlight, the pond's surface glistens with a silvery glow. It embodies serenity and stillness. This pond brings solace to the mind and joy to the soul. It reminds us of the flow of life and the cycle of nature. The Japanese Tea House and Garden. Designed with traditional Japanese characteristics, the Japanese tea house and its surrounding garden offer you a truly unique feeling. A serene, beautiful Japanese tea house. It's not just a building, but a tranquil sanctuary embraced by nature, shaped by traditional wooden craftsmanship. Here, you'll feel the touch of history. The peaceful tranquility inherent in every piece of wood, every window, and every seat has been present for centuries, bringing a wonderful sensation to your mind. Every movement, every gesture is like a ceremonial meditation. Every moment here is a unique experience that nourishes your soul. The Japanese garden. A vibrant green. A true gallery of nature. The beautiful Japanese garden. It offers you a wonderful feeling. Here, every tree, every bush, every flower is not placed by chance, but arranged artistically. Even every stone is placed in a beautifully artistic way. Peace and balance. This is the essence of a Japanese garden. Every element here is infused with the philosophy of wabi-sabi. That is, the beauty found in imperfection, and the truth of nature's constant change. As you stroll through the garden, you'll feel as if time stands still. It's a serene moment where your soul blends with nature. Stone bridges. Uniquely designed stone bridges. Created over time. They remind you of the beauty of natural stone steps. These beautiful stone bridges are more than just a crossing. They are a symbol of connection, leading you from one bank to another. These bridges bear witness to the journey through life's challenges and obstacles. As you walk across a stone bridge, you'll feel that the past and present are intertwined. Every bridge, every journey teaches us the importance of patience, strength, and new beginnings. The stone steps, to be ascended mindfully, are wonderfully crafted as if carved by nature itself. They are more than just stairs. They are a symbol of a journey upward, in rhythm with nature. Take slow, deliberate steps. Every step brings you into the present moment. Stop thinking about the past or the future, and focus on the touch of the stone beneath your feet, and the sounds of the surrounding environment. Every step is a new discovery, a new experience, and a path to self-reflection. The Rose Garden, which blooms with the arrival of spring, is a major attraction of Brookside Gardens. Here, you can see numerous varieties of roses, in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Furthermore, the sweet fragrance emanating from these roses adds a special aroma to the entire garden. Conservatory at Brookside Gardens. It's truly a magnificent creation. This is an indoor garden, bursting with botanical beauty. It's designed to withstand all weather conditions, and it's just stunning. Throughout the year, you can find a wide variety of flowering plants, temperate climate plants, and sometimes even small wildlife. This conservatory is primarily divided into two main sections: the north wing and the south wing. The north wing, generally, is dedicated to displaying a diverse collection of tropical and subtropical plant species. Here, you can admire vibrant orchids, beautiful bromeliads, and various forms of ferns. This wing is consistently filled with vivid colors and refreshing aromas. The South Wing, this section is reserved for specialized seasonal exhibits. For instance, during the Christmas season, it's beautifully adorned with poinsettias and other festive plants. In the spring, this area overflows with tulips and other spring blossoms. This ensures that every time you visit, the conservatory offers a new and exciting experience. One of the most unique features of the conservatory is its natural lighting and impeccable maintenance. Large glass roofs and walls allow maximum sunlight to enter. And what's more, the internal temperature and humidity are meticulously controlled, providing the ideal environment for the plants. This allows every plant here to thrive and grow beautifully. The conservatory is open to the public year-round. It offers a wonderful experience for visitors of all ages. If you love photography, this is an excellent spot. The natural beauty, the vibrant colors of the flowers, and the captivating plants will undoubtedly make your visit unforgettable. Additionally, the conservatory serves as a hub for various educational programs and events. Here, you'll have the opportunity to learn more about botany and the environment, and to discover new aspects connected to nature. So, if you're ever visiting Brookside Gardens, don't forget to explore the conservatory. It's sure to be an uplifting experience for both your mind and your eyes. For nature lovers like you, Brookside Gardens Nature Center offers a truly unique experience. It's more than just a garden. The Brookside Gardens Nature Center is located inside the beautiful Brookside Gardens. Here, you can experience nature up close, learn about diverse plants, animal species, and native ecosystems, explore educational exhibits, learn about the environment, discover local wildlife, gain knowledge about conservation efforts. Both children and adults can learn so much here. Near the center, you'll find Coons Lake. It's a wonderful spot for wildlife observation. Waterfowl, reptiles, various insects. You can see all of these here. Walk along the walking trails. Enjoy the tranquility of nature. The Brookside Gardens Nature Center is suitable for all ages. Come for a fun outing with family, learn about nature, or simply spend some time away from the city's hustle. This will be a perfect haven for you.